After reading this, you will always put on socks when going to bed. Here's what happens. Many people remove their socks prior to going to bed. But according to newest studies, putting on socks before going to bed spreads the blood vessels and signals the brain that it's time to sleep. Besides improving your sleep, this nifty trick will also improve your sex life. According to a study conducted at the Groningen University, 80% of the couples who had sex with socks on had experienced orgasm, which was proven with a brain scan. Another experiment showed that not wearing socks during sex significantly reduces the chance of orgasm, which clearly shows that there's a connection between socks and your sex life. If you decide on wearing socks overnight, however, make sure they're clean, as wearing the same socks you wore all day long will increase the risk of fungal overgrowth on your feet that can be difficult to get rid of. I hope these tips can help you. Do you know any other effective remedies which worked for you? Please share with us. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.